it's understandable why people would feel uneasy. And when you tie it in with the idea that Australia has large isolated areas used for testing or experiments, you can see why some would start to connect the dots and think that there's more behind it. While dust storms themselves aren't out of the ordinary in certain parts of the world, the way people perceive them and the overall visual impact can certainly make you think, what's really going on here? That said, the fact that this has happened more than once.
This is not a filter, and no, there isn't a fire nearby.